Who would have thought? Here's a girl transforming her small balcony into an endless chili garden. She's getting creative here. Aloe leaves as a cozy bed for chili seeds? Now that's some next-level planting finesse right there. Planting and planting some more. Every seed has to go in just right. Skillful work indeed. Who knew? She's even making her own plant food out of eggs, onions, and fruits. This girl's got some impressive DIY gardening tricks up her sleeve. Now she's pouring her magic mix into the soil, nourishing those chili plants from the roots up. Pure dedication here, folks. Look at her using plastic bottles to grow plants. Talk about recycling with a twist. Not just a bottle, it's a full-on nutrient delivery system. Finishing up with an elegant touch, she waters her plants one last time. All right, everyone, time to rate her skills from 1 to 10. Are we watching a real-life planting wizard here? Don't forget to hit that like button if you're feeling inspired, and leave a comment for her skills. There she is, carefully watering each chili plant in her pots. And let me tell you, watering is no easy task. It's a real skill, folks. Wow, just 15 days in, and these plants are growing like crazy. It feels like yesterday they were just little sprouts, and now they're about to fruit.